Tesco Mobile Error Code 0 typically signals a failure in the app's interaction with Tesco's servers or your device. It's a generic error often caused by corrupted app data, unstable internet connections, or device-specific issues. To immediately address this, start with clearing the app cache. Outdated cache data is a primary cause. On your device, go to Settings, Apps, Tesco Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. This refreshes temporary files without deleting personal data. Steps may slightly vary based on Android or iOS version, but the principle remains the same. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, try reinstalling the app. A full reinstall removes any potentially corrupted files. Uninstall the Tesco Mobile app, restart your device, and then download the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Log in again to restore account access. For network troubleshooting, ensure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Toggle airplane mode on and off, reset your network settings, or try switching to a different network. Also, check your APN settings for data connectivity, as incorrect configurations can sometimes trigger error code 0. These steps resolve over 60% of error code 0 incidents, according to user reports as of October 2025. Keeping your app updated is crucial, as older versions are more susceptible to this error. If the basic fixes don't work, further troubleshooting may be needed. First, ensure your device has sufficient storage space, as low storage can affect app performance. Check that the Tesco mobile app has all necessary permissions enabled, such as network access. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support directly. Looking ahead, recent trends show that Tesco Mobile has been actively addressing error code 0 through app updates and back-end server upgrades. App updates in mid-2025, version 5.2 Plus, have incorporated enhanced error handling and automated diagnostics, reducing the frequency of the error. Tesco Mobile rolled out a patch in September 2025 to address caching bugs. By staying updated with the latest app version, you benefit from these improvements. Future trends point toward AI-assisted fixes within the app. Tesco Mobile's 2025 updates include AI troubleshooters that analyze error logs. To prevent error code 0, regularly update the app, avoid using it during peak hours when server load is high, and proactively clear the app cache periodically. By 2027, mobile app errors are predicted to reduce by 50% due to improvements in APIs. Follow these steps to minimize the likelihood of encountering error code 0 and maintain a smooth experience with the Tesco mobile app.